Hello everyone, my name is Danny Feroz Farabishi.
My name is Ahmed Nabil Hafzallah.
And we're seniors of Summit International School. Today I present you a robot that is designed to sort Lego bricks based on color. So we have two motors and one color sensor. One motor is designed to make the robot go 360 and one motor is designed to throw the Lego bricks inside each slot. We have a color sensor here that detects each color and drops it in each designated spot. For more details, this robot is designed to sort Lego bricks based on color, demonstrating key engineering principles and mechanisms like those in contemporary automated systems.
The robot mechanism incorporates a color sensor that detects the color of each brick as it passes through the system. Upon detection, the robot utilizes a pre-programmed algorithm to determine the appropriate sorting path for the brick. One motor facilitates horizontal movement, allowing the robot to rotate and align itself with the correct sorting bin. Another motor manages the flow of bricks, directing them into designated areas based on the color information received. This setup mirrors the operation of industrial robots that uses sensors and actuators to sort products on assembly lines, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in manufacturing processes. In modern factories, similar mechanisms are employed where optical sensors identify products' attributes and robotic arms or conveyors sort items accordingly. The integration of sensors, decision-making algorithms, and precise motor control in the Lego Spike Prime robot exemplifies fundamental concepts in robotics and mechatronics, providing a practical understanding of how automated system functions in real-world applications. Thank you.